Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the snow globe lantern for free. First, this is how the lanterns look. Like this. Like this. It's pretty cool, right? And it will look like this. It has a round shape. Like this. Like this. It has a round shape with a mini snowy environment inside it. Just like a real snow globe. Like this. And to get this lantern, you need to exchange some gift at the gift factory right here. You can get this gift by visiting or from the Rain Present event. So make sure you join those activities as much as possible. And keep in mind this snow globe lantern is a random reward. So the more gift you collect and exchange, the higher you can change to get it. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.